So friends, welcome to the series of gosleep.pro. अगला जो टॉपिक है that is the white paper of this project. You can see the white paper section in the last tab of this main homepage. जैसे आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे then you can redirect to a new tab which is the white paper of this project. So यहाँ पे आपको available है introduction section, market breakdown, sleep app sector, web 2+3, our investors, bedroom NFT version 1, bedroom NFT version 2, sleep goal and reward section, invite the friends, sleep with partner, sleep group, share sleep records, sleep tracking, sleep scoring, data analysis, sleep suggestion. Apart from that we have next section as tokenomics. So यहाँ पे आपको details and contents available है regarding NFT types, rarity, equipment, decoration rating, return estimation version 1, return estimation version 2, ZZZ pool, durability, new and upgrading NFT version 1, crafting, new NFT version 2, level system and tokenomics. So ये सब चीज़ें available है on the white paper of this project. You can see the white paper that is available in the last tab of the main home page. जैसे आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे नया पेज ओपन हो जाएगा and this is the white paper to check it out. आप अपना रिसर्च करिए, then रिसर्च करके ही इस पे इन्वेस्ट करिए.